This will be 5 moves in 5 minutes using our support bar. Let's get started. Take a breath in, exhale out. Lightly hold on to your support bar, and we'll begin with a wide basic, soft knees, gentle presses out. Gently engage your core. Nice tall posture. Allow yourself to warm up. Now the only thing we're going to add is a little sway side to side, keeping those heels pressed down. So still in that wide basic, rocking side to side, keeping those hips nice and stable. Feel that trampoline mat beneath your feet. Light grip on the support bar. Press down even more. Move number 3 is lifting the heels, still keeping that alternate movement. Option, arms here. You can have one hand for support. Work at your own pace. Our next move, our 4th move, will be knee lifts. Just a knee up and up, up and up. I'm alternating the arms, but you can keep them here. Nice and tall, hinging at the hips as you lift the knee. If you'd like to keep them lower, that's okay. Or up more. Almost there. Final move, a nice march. Once again, option here, or arms off, a little swing with them. Feeling energetic, push a little bit. Keep it going. Home stretch. You made it. Take the legs out. Let's take a breath in. Exhale out. Roll those shoulders out. And one more breath in. Exhale out. Nice little turn. Other side. Last one. Exhale. Shake it out. Great job. See you next time.